Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is March 19th. We've got corn down just about a half a cent right now, wheat down about 3, but beans up 15 cents at this point. Very strong day yesterday, so we're continuing that strength. But why are we seeing such strength for beans? Well, we've had negative Chinese crush margins. There's talks right now that Brazilian load of cargo headed to the U.S., so there could be anywhere from 3 to 6 as far as some of the rumors out there. But the spreads, the old crop, new crop spread, certainly supporting that nearby contract, the May as well as July, and that's pushing things higher. So where are we going? Fundamentally, we know that, well, we probably are a little higher than we need to be. But technically, the charts look very good at this point. You've got good resistance above us for the May contract, 1445, and then the highs that we've seen recently at 1460. On the downside, we need to watch 1412 for support, and as well as this week's low is 1384. Looking at beans in China, down actually a penny for the week so far, whereas here in the U.S., we've seen a very strong move up about 30 cents at this point for our U.S. beans. So continue watching that, though, but technicals right now driving this market may continue. Also, strength yesterday for wheat. The weather outlook is kind of playing a factor in that, but we've had 1 to 5 inch snows through Nebraska, Colorado, also northwest Kansas. Maybe giving a little bit of a break here for this wheat, but overall, though, there's still going to be some issues there. And the idea of maybe conditions continuing to decrease, but we'll need to get some rain, some moisture, and certainly in those areas. But also, we had Egypt come out and buy some wheat yesterday, 175,000 tons. 60 of that was Russian, 60 from Romania, and 55 from the U.S. Now, the annexation, I guess, of this Crimea Peninsula isn't going to affect, or at least they're saying is not going to affect the movement of grains out of that region. So we'll see. But we've put a lot of premium into this market because of the tensions right now between Ukraine and Russia, and those tensions seem to continue to build. So we'll see. But as far as the news out of those areas, shouldn't be any problem exporting grain from that region. As far as corn today, very light. It's kind of trading with that wheat. If wheat ends up breaking today, you'll probably see corn, but it's kind of following that wheat market, so pay attention to that. Not a lot of news out there for corn. Cattle down 5 cents right now. Box beef coming in stronger. New record highs for box beef. Choice up 121. Select up $1.13. When's it going to end? Seems like it's still pushing higher and higher. I haven't seen any bids or asks yet this week as far as cash, but assuming maybe steady to even a little bit better for cash this week if this does continue. Hogs, 30 cents higher. Cutout values up 348, 130.36. This is amazing. When will this run end? You know, we may continue to do this as far as this perfect storm of price till the end of the month. The 28th, you've got a hog and pigs report out. But right now, the idea of PED as well as slowing down in slaughter really giving us this run. Well, fund money's in here. Everyone's pushing this thing higher. We've got to watch that. We know that this market could potentially fall faster than it rallies, and this rally is pretty amazing. So we'll see where this ends, but watch that end of the month hog and pigs report. Stock market up 20 right now. Gold down $12. Silver down 6 cents. The dollar is unchanged. We are going to have the Fed releasing some of their minutes later on today, expecting to see maybe another $10 billion pullback here or drop in the QE3 cuts. So watch for that later on today to maybe move some of these outside markets. If you guys have any questions today, always feel free to give us a call. You can reach us here 800-262-7538 or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you again tomorrow morning. Take care.